Guys, this is Eric Pappin with Airplane Services, Wellington, Kansas. We're in a 1964 Cessna 172. We've installed 180 horse upgrade, power flow exhaust, and Flint Aero wing tanks. So we are ready to go. We're going to do a quick demo flight here for takeoff and climb and cruise. Wellington traffic, Skyhawk 225 Mike Juliet, departing runway 17, right hand turnout Wellington. We'll see how quick we can get off the ground and how this aircraft does climbing. There we go, we're off. It's about 70 knots. About 1,100 feet a minute. And 500 feet above the field. Let's level off a little. Take off our flaps. It's a little bumpy out here today. So we'll keep about 80 knots here. We're indicating about 1,100 feet a minute. We'll climb up to 4,000 and see what it trues out at. And the original engine in this aircraft would have been a 145 horsepower engine, so quite a bit of difference here. Some choppy air today. We're still keeping that 1,000 to 1,200 feet a minute at 80 knots. So we're at 3,400. We took off. The field elevation at Wellington is 1,300 feet. Which is one big advantage of this. You know, you can get above this, above this rough air, or, if it was summertime, get out of that hot air down there, get up in the nice cool air. And this engine has 3.5 hours on it. We're keeping all the CHTs nice and cool. There's 4,000 feet. So our kit also comes with a brand new baffle kit. So I'm going to put this at 2,500 RPM. I'll level off and lean it back a little bit. Still climbing. It's pretty hard to see it, but we're indicating about 115 knots, 116 knots. So I did the math earlier, and that comes out to about 120 knots true, this airplane. And this airplane does not have wheel pig.
Travel Air 948 Tango is 4.5 mile final 18 Augusta.
All right, guys. Well, it was good. It was good flying with you today. Safe and happy flying.